Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to release the hood right by this footrest. Grab the lever right there and pull it out. Now we're going to pull up on the hood. The release is right here. Just push that up. Release the hood. Then you can grab the prop rod right here. Pull it up. And stick it right there. Your air filter is in this box right here. There's some clips right here. We're going to take this clip and push it towards the back of the vehicle. Same with this one. And then there's one on the side here. One in the front. And then one on the side here. Then we can grab the box, pull it up, reach underneath. You can slide the air filter out. As you can see, the new air filter is obviously cleaner than the old one. So we're gonna replace this air filter at this time. This slides in this direction, so the shorter side goes down. This is the filter. Slide it in the same way we pulled it out. Once it's dropped in, then we can adjust the upper cover, and then once that's pushed down all the way, we can start locking it down. Lock these two tabs. Just push them towards the air filter box. Same with this one. And then this one. And also this one. Close the hood. We're gonna pull the prop rod out. Put it back in its holder. And drop the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.